After connecting the power cord, let's press the power button on the front, so it can be turned on. When these two interfaces appear, we need to click in. The same goes for the bottom. Let's first look at the operation of the handle above. This is the operation on the microneedle handle and the cold hammer handle. This is where the cold hammer goes. Turn it on and off. And microneedle 1 and microneedle 2. The parameter settings of both handles are here. And the icon is what you see. This handle and probe have not been fully installed yet. We can install it and operate normally. So let's look at the parameters on the left-hand side. The first is the clinical time setting. The second is the RF energy setting. The higher the wattage, the more heat we bring. Then there's the depth setting. It's the deepest surface we have. This is the greatest depth of our body. And then we had burst mode. The face has no explosive mode, but we have explosive patterns in our bodies, can be set. Some customers will ask why. Because the skin thickness of the face is not suitable for explosive mode. Burst mode, its maximum depth can reach 8.0 m. Not suitable for operating the face, so only the body has explosive mode. And then there's continuous output. It's a 2-pin pattern. It is to fire the needle twice at one time. This is a single shot. That's 2 shots. Here are some parameters for storage. Can store 5. When we set the parameters, click Save. Here is the record of the number of times the needle was discharged. This is the total record. If you look at the face and body, how many times did the needle come out? We can just look here. This is the face. It's physical. Then look at the interface operation of multiple rows of handles at freezing point. After entering, you can see that the above is the setting of the parameters, such as the length and width and the length of its line. And the distance between points is all set at the above location. The following is a parameter that is currently plugged into the probe. Here is the number of runs he operated, and the remaining number of runs. First of all, the total number of runs is more than 10,100, 10,000 remaining runs. Then probe depth 3.0. Here is a number of lines tagged. There are 7 lines. This is how many dots can be punched in 7 rows, 84 points. Then there is the energy setting. We are in the clinic. First read the recommended energy value in the manual. Set it up again. Do it again. Don't set it too high at once to operate. This can easily make the facial skin red. Or some redness and swelling occur. set parameters, you can click to start it on M1. If you want to start it in M2, we choose M2, then set the parameters for storage. Here is a record of 1 point per output. Here is the cooling setting for turning this handle on and off. We don't need to use it during operation. Don't worry about it. Then airplane mode. It's a very fast mode. This bicycle model, it is a relatively slow mode. This is preparation. After preparation, we're going to look at this. After these two icons appear, before it can be operated, if the two icons do not appear, we can't operate it. We will not start until the icon comes out. Do it again. Here is the stop. Here is the return. This is the interface operation of a single point as sculpture. Frequency refers to how many dots can be hit per second. How many shots can be fired. Energy is the intensity of the punch. Be sure to set it from low to high. Then there are the total number of probes and the remaining number of runs, more than 60,000. Recorded RB. And the 4.5 probe we are currently plugged in. Operable area. This is stopping. This is preparation. After preparation, the water pump of the machine starts to work. It automatically pumps water onto the handle to cool down when we didn't want it. We turn this intelligence off. If you want us to, turn it on. Here is the sound of this speaker clicked. Rattling sound. We generally do not recommend closing this. Let's talk about it. Some precautions for the operation of this handle. First of all, when we start it up, the water has been pumped to the handle. At this time, if the customer wants to change the probe, then he must be in the stopped state. The probe can be replaced. Let's look at the screen below again. The operation on his handle. All we can see is that there are three options. One is a single row. A single row is deep recognition. And the number of RB records. And we have a hair count display here. Its total number of shipments is more than 10,000. 10,000 remaining runs. And then there's stop. Here is the preparation. After preparation, a motor detection reset sound will appear on the handle. The operation can only be carried out after the sound stops. Click stop when not in operation. Here's the dotted one. This is a regulation of energy. Here is a distance between the points. Here is the return. Then there is the private interface operation. The above is an operation angle and energy to set it. Let's talk about this in detail. Select it to adjust it through the add and subtract keys. Each set of parameters is the same. It must be selected to add or subtract. The first one is the total angle of rotation, the total angle of lap. The second is the angle of rotation of each shot, from 0 to 30, if set to one shot. Then the angle of this shot can be adjusted through it. The third is the length. The fourth is the distance between the points. The fifth is the intensity of energy. If you are private, the energy cannot be set too high. Many customers can accept it. Here is the display of the above settings. The parameters are presented as a point that can be hit. The following is to record the number of runs per output. Here is the switch between automatic and manual modes. Now it's automatic. After clicking it, it will be manual. Here is the depth of the probe displayed, number of runs and remaining runs. Let's take a look at the handle. During operation, need to click to prepare. After preparation, the motor of the probe will conduct a test. Is there any situation where the motor is stuck? So it goes around, then reset. After successful reset, the blue light will turn on here. Then click Start again. The handle can be operated. When operating, you can press the button of the handle to click. Without operation, we'll cancel it. When we operate the clinic in private, it is generally recommended to turn on its automatic mode. This way we don't need every shot. You have to press the button of the handle. And finally, this is the interface of the tube. Check its operation.